Hi everyone, welcome to yet another new vlog. Hope you all are fine and having nice time with your families. Last weekend we had my husband's cousin and family visiting us. We planned a trip to Lake District in Cumbria. I'll be sharing with you a few moments which we spent there. Hope you like it. Lake District is 121 miles from our place. It took nearly 2.5 hours for us to reach there. Since we started early, we took a small break and had some coffee. Now we reached the Lake District and our first destination is Windermere. Mere means water, so instead of calling lake, people do call it mere. Windermere is popular for its boating facilities, but because of the lockdown, we couldn't enjoy boating. So we spent some quality time here at the lake. After enjoying at the lake, we had our lunch and moved on to the next destination. We are now at Kirkstone Pass in Lake District, which is the highest pass, which connects the Ambleside to Patterdale. You'll definitely fall in love with these misty mountains in Lake District. They are absolutely mesmerizing. Now moving towards our next destination, that is Ira Waterfalls, which is one of the popular waterfalls in Lake District. These dramatic waterfalls increase the scenic beauty of Lake District and attract a lot of tourists around the year. Although it was not a very bright and sunny day, it still didn't rain and spoil our fun, so we could still enjoy our sightseeing. This place was not less than a fairyland. We enjoyed as much as we could and captured some beautiful moments at these waterfalls. Now moving towards our next destination, that is Glenrothes, another beautiful village in Lake District. Well, this was a trip to Lake District. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. If you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell at the bottom so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye. See you in another vlog.